Hello, this is Nate Parks with Austin Home Team Keller Williams. I have 6 maintenance tips to share with you today. We're wanting to make sure that we're keeping those maintenance costs down, keeping the value of your home up, and if you are ready to sell at any time, that house is ready to go. Tip number 1, power wash your driveway and sidewalks. It keeps up with the overall aesthetic of the surface and also keeps repair costs down to a minimum. Tip number 2, clean out your gutters and downspouts. This enables the rain to drain properly away from your home, keeping your foundation dry and safe. Tip number 3, wash windows and replace screens if needed. This extends the overall lifespan of the window and also keeps utility costs down to a minimum. Tip number 4, prep your grill and backyard space. If you're looking at selling your house in the future, buyers are always looking for a great place to entertain. Tip number 5, test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. It's always important to keep your house safe and up to code. Tip number 6, clean your garbage disposal and dishwasher. You want to keep the smells down in your kitchen as well as extend the lifespan of that appliance. Thanks for watching, and if you are looking to buy or sell a home, you can check us out at austinhometeamkc.com.